Hello ladies and gentlemen, just got a short little clip here. We're going to be doing some things around the farm today, called the not so pretty side of homesteading. Everybody thinks homesteading's all beautiful and you know everything they see in the magazines and on TV and everything. Well, it's not. You have hard work, sweat, and a lot of dirt and other things that you have to deal with. That's KFC. So we have a lot to do on the farm, and today's a deep cleaner that we do every so often. We have went through and picked up a lot of twigs and sticks and done a lot of cleaning up in the yard here. That's our milk stand. Like I said, we grow rocks really good around here, you can see. And there's the goats. They're on their little play area. They're all just hanging out there, playing on the boat and everything. All of them. There's a rooster in the background. So like I said, we'll be doing a lot of work around here, doing some TLC that's needing to be done. We're going to be doing some work on our goat house and chicken house here. We're going to be adding on to it hopefully soon if all goes well, and be siding it. You see that we was cleaning up. The chickens come in and out. They knock their shavings out and everything. So you saw earlier in the video, everybody's been working, cleaning it up, getting that done. So we've been working, like I said, cleaning out the coop. It's a good sized coop. Fixing to put some shavings in there. There's one of our chicken tractors. Need to do some work done too. We don't use it unless we have babies, but we haven't had any in a while. Let's come over here and see what's over here. Some of the goats over here. This is where all of our boy goats are. We have two over here, and then we have one female that she just never gets pregnant. And that's our Gabby girl right there. And Jonathan just has a chicken in the goat house. Jonathan's putting some fresh shavings in there for the goats. He just got done cleaning it out really good. I'm going to compost this to use in our garden that we have. And we have a hoop coop over here that we built. Yeah, with the new recruits, Jonathan said. Where are they? There they are, two back there. Somebody just threw them out of their truck and just threw them out, and they at the road, and we picked them up. They just kind of wandered in our property, and we just put them in here in isolation. Yeah, looks like a boy and a hen. Well, we got them in isolation and keeping an eye on them. We don't want to put them in with the other ones until we know everything's okay. But they got the shavings and a little house to go into, and food and water, so they're okay. And I have a goat. Lucky Bucky! Lucky, look at me. Lucky. Lucky. Show you pretty blue eyes. Say hi. He's our buck. He's a mess, spoiled rotten. And this is his son over here. You look at me? Yeah. He's over here chawing on some hay. He is a fat boy, ain't he? Oh, we gotta come in here, and they've been chewing and pulling down tree limbs. You could tell. And we got to come through and pick them up. And plus, with the rain we've had, it's kind of done the same too, knocked some things over. So we got to work on cleaning this lot up. So that's what we're working on today, is cleaning up the goat lots, chicken lots so far today. That's what we're doing right now. And Lucky ain't got much to say, looks like it. So shavings in the goat house. And I have to do some cleaning up here. This is where the hay's supposed to go. And right now it's down there. But we got to clean up there and move it up there. It's a storage for extra things, which you see needs a little bit of work and cleaning up, which we're fixing to do now. Okie dokie. Hello.
Hi.
Who's that there?
This is Lucky Bucky. Yeah. This is Lucky. He's a dog. He really is. He's a big old dog. He acts like a dog. It's a dog trapped in a goat's body. That's what this is right here, isn't it?
Well, a while ago you saw Jonathan cleaning up this part here. And I showed you the mess, what it looked like. And we moved the hay up there. I managed to get one up there, but I'm too short. I had to get Alyssa to do the rest. And we cleaned up over here. This is called our emergency vet area, I guess you want to say.
It's mostly for the mama.
Yeah, or if we have a brooding mama, we'll put her over here with some food and water. And there's some extra stuff that we have, extra feed, waters, heat lamps, all that kind of fun stuff.
Baby chickens when we're actually, then they're like brood box kind of stuff.
Yeah, and brooders, and got another little brood box back there. So we kind of got this all cleaned up and ready. And
he laid down.
Mr. Lazy there.
He laid down because I was petting him and he was relaxed. Yeah, he's just a big doggy. He really is. I feel like he's like one of the most friendliest. You know,
he is. He's a bottle
baby. A lot
baby.
of people say that the bucks are the worst. I don't know. All the bucks we've ever had have always been like the sweetest pies. Like, I've never had an issue out of the bucks. You know, we have one back in North Carolina. His name was Marty. I don't know if you have any photos we can put up on the B-roll or anything of him in the video, but he was a bottle baby, and he was an amazing goat. And this is Lucky, and he was a bottle baby.
Lucky Bucky.
He's an amazing goat. And then there's S'mores out here. He's just chilling out there, eating some of that leftover hay we have. And he eats some of that bark off that tree.
That's his son.
Yeah, that's his son. As you can tell, he does look they look a little alike.
Yeah.
Yes. And so
I already showed y'all Gabby girl.
Yeah,
and
she's
right over there.
She's just chilling over there. She's chilling. She's a little warm right now, so she's probably just chilling over there trying to stay cool.
And we got a chicken down there.
Yeah, got a rooster. But you could definitely, I don't know if you have any past roll, but of this place before and after, but this place looks a lot more cleaner than it used to.
Yeah.
They have went through and wiped it out by eating it all up. These goats will eat anything that they can between where they can stand. Honestly, if they can stand on the tree and they can get about to that height, they'll eat it.
Yeah.
I mean, goats will eat about mostly anything. However, there are things that goats shouldn't eat. But the weird thing is, normally they know what they shouldn't eat and they'll stay away from it. They're actually pretty smart. I mean, yeah, they'll probably eat like your clothing and stuff. They're not smart that way.
One of them was trying to steal my gloves.
Yeah, one of them was like trying to like eat off my four-wheeler. I mean, like, they're crazy. But other than that, when it comes to like the natural stuff, however, they can kind of know what they should and shouldn't eat naturally. However, it is good to know and to be able to identify what those certain species are to make sure it's not actually in your lot where you're keeping your goats, so you can keep them from eating it, because it can make them sick, and it could even lead to lethal things, and that's not a good thing, or like diseases and stuff. So keeping a good eye out on that right there. Like, some people don't know you can't keep sheep and goats together. Like, you don't keep sheep and goats together because there's parasites and stuff that can cross over and cause a lot of issues and stuff.
You gonna look at me?
He's like, I'm lazy. So you just kind of gotta know this stuff right here with goats and stuff. I mean, there's more to goats than just owning a goat, you know. But yeah, but there's different types of like things you need to look out for. You can just do some research. Honestly, Mr. Google Pants it, you'll figure it out. And honestly, like you're watching right now on YouTube, there's plenty of videos out there talking about, you know, poisonous stuff and things that are not good for your animals, specifically with goats as well. Along with other kind of critters that you can look up. So,
Yep.
a little bit of information there.
Yep. All right. Let's see what else we can get ourselves into.
All right.